my mind is always kind of full and racing. So I really enjoy when my physical surrounding is calming me instead of making me more intense. As you can see, I'm a minimalist. I have a very bright and white and empty apartment. The color white makes me feel really calm, and I always like the aesthetic of things that are clean and sparse. And I mean, I don't even have eyebrows, so I think it's a proof of how like my aesthetic is quite minimalistic. So the objects that actually do fit into my home either have some kind of beauty to me, or makes me happy in a way, or has a clear function. I enjoy collecting things that I really value and treasure and that I feel make my life better. Maybe I don't have all the things that you should have in a home, but I do have the things that make me feel comfortable and me feel happy.